In this video, we're going to be unboxing Cometeer coffee. Now, Cometeer coffee is a fairly new coffee company. It's actually a coffee extract that arrives to you frozen. It's packed in dry ice. Well, when you unbox it, you're going to need to put it directly into your freezer and keep it in your freezer. Let's get this box opened up. So, just to talk about Cometeer a little bit, you can sign up on their website. They'll send you an email. You get put on a waiting list. You'll be on the waiting list for, it took me about 2 weeks. And then you'll get an email stating you're able to order coffee. If you click the link through your email, it brings you back to the Cometeer website. And then you can select what type of coffee you like. You can get it on a 4-week basis, a 2-week basis, however you want the frequency of it to be delivered to you. So as we open it up, that's what it looks like. And there's some instructions in here on different recipes on what you want to try to make, latte or a frappuccino, frozen coffee, regular hot coffee. Also comes with a Cometeer sticker. It does say machine use. It has a picture of a Keurig. Now, I got friends that use this Cometeer coffee. Some say it does not work on a Keurig, and others say it works perfect. So I think it depends on what style of Keurig you have. Maybe you need a newer version, and maybe it doesn't work so well in the older one. But before you put it in a Keurig, dig into that and check it out and see if it's going to work on yours. This box is very well insulated. As you can see, there's about an inch thick of insulation. It is ice cold on this side here. And this coffee is frozen at negative 321 degrees with liquid nitrogen. This coffee runs through a stainless steel tank, about 4 feet wide, 25 feet long. And this liquid nitrogen runs in between the skins of the stainless steel tank. That's what freezes the coffee extract. So, take a look inside here. That's what it looks like. That's the variety pack I ordered. And I ordered the light roast variety pack. So we have this one here. You can see the steam rolling off of there. And there's this one. And the actual coffee extract is in a Keurig looking container, but it is made out of aluminum. Let's turn that over. It's not plastic, so it's 100% recyclable. And there's that one there. Now, once you place your order, I ordered it on Monday, this came on Wednesday. So it didn't take very long to order at all. And underneath there you have a warning, dry ice, do not touch. So this is a big box, well insulated. It's heavy, and there's not a whole lot of coffee that comes in it. Just right there. I'm going to show you what one of these looks like. There's this one right here. And you can see the aluminum capsule. Now, I have had the coffee. This is my first order I've ordered myself. I have had this coffee from friends that been having it for maybe 2 months or so. And they really enjoy it. So I do know what it tastes like. It is super, super smooth. I did do a video on a comparison between my fresh ground coffee and a Cometeer coffee, and it's quite a big difference. Now, as good as the coffee is, it is $2 a capsule. If you're used to going to Starbucks, 3-4 times a week, paying $5 for a cup of coffee, then this is well worth the savings you're going to get. If you're used to drinking Folgers at 10 cents, 15 cents a cup, you're going to think that this stuff is very expensive. Me personally, I'm just going to drink it on the weekends and maybe a weeknight or two with maybe some dessert, something like that. Thanksgiving's just around the corner. I'll probably have it with some pecan pie or something like that. No one's going to be coming over, but if you did have guests over, this would make a good conversation piece. You pull this out, you talk about how it's frozen to negative 321 degrees, and just kind of talk about it, converse about it, and drink the coffee, kind of talk about how it tastes, and I guarantee you your guests are going to probably think it's the best coffee they've ever had. So this box here is going to go in the recyclable bin. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on unboxing the Cometeer coffee. And I thank you guys for watching.